Cast versus calendared vinyl, choosing the right vinyl for your needs. When it comes to vinyl materials, two main options stand out: cast and calendared vinyl. Understanding the differences between these options is crucial for making the right choice for your project. Cast vinyl is known for its exceptional flexibility and durability. It's made through a process that involves liquid vinyl being poured onto a surface and then cured. This production method results in a vinyl material that can conform to complex shapes and surfaces, making it perfect for applications like vehicle wraps and uneven surfaces. Additionally, cast vinyl has excellent longevity, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Calendared vinyl is created by extruding a mixture of PVC and plasticizer through rollers. This process creates a thinner, stiffer vinyl that is best suited for flat surfaces. While calendared vinyl is generally more affordable, it's typically less flexible and less durable than cast vinyl. It's often used for short-term indoor applications like temporary signage. Choosing the appropriate vinyl for your project is only part of the equation. Working with the right installer is equally crucial. A professional installer understands the unique characteristics of cast and calendared vinyl and can recommend the best choice for your specific needs. Moreover, their expertise ensures a proper and flawless application that prevents issues like bubbling, peeling, or premature fading. Inadequate installation can compromise the benefits of using quality vinyl materials, leading to wasted time and resources. By partnering with a skilled installer, you ensure that your vinyl project achieves its maximum potential, both in terms of material choice and application quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.